Children, how are you all? Previously we discussed about integers, properties of integers under addition. Today we learn about properties of integers under multiplication. What is that? Properties of integers under multiplication. There is in multiplication there are 6 properties. How many properties? 6 properties. What are that? Just you have to look at the board and write also. So first property, closure property. What is that? Closure property. Second one, commutative property. First one is a closure property. Second one, commutative property. Third one, associative property. What is that? Associative property. Fourth one, distributive property. What is the fourth one? Distributive property. Fifth one, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Sixth one, multiplication by 0. Multiplication by 0. Okay, we learn about first property. Okay, how we get the first property? Okay, Emma? Okay, first property, closure property. What is that? Closure property. So you take any two numbers, any two integers. Any two integers. Suppose 2 into 5. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. So 2 is an integer, 5 also an integer. What is the product? 10. 10 is also an integer. So take one more number. Minus 3 into 2. So 3 2s are 3 2s. Good. 6. So minus into plus minus. Is it minus 6 is an integer or not? Yes, integer. Four 3s are 12. Minus into minus plus. Positive sign. If you write sign, if you not write also no problem. So 12 is also an integer. So what do you understand? For any two integers, if you multiply any two integers, the product always an integer. Okay, the product is always an integer. So this is the property. A and B. A into B is so for any integer A and B, A into B is also an integer. This is the closure property. What is the property? Closure property. All have right, Nana? Okay. Second property, commutative property. What is that? Commutative property. Now I will take some examples for your better understand. So now minus 2 into 4. 4 2s are 8. Minus 8. Now this is the first statement. You take the other statement. 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus. 4 2s are 8. Plus into minus, minus 8. So here minus 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 4 into minus 2 also 8. What is the conclusion of this statement? Minus 2 into 4 is equal to 4 into minus 2 is equal to 8. I will take one more example. 5 into 3 minus 3. So here minus 3 into 5. So 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Plus into minus, minus. So 3 5s are 15. Plus into minus, minus. What is the conclusion, children? 5 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3 into 5. 5 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3 into 5 is equal to the same answer, 50 minus 15. Okay, understand? Just I will give you one more example. Minus 3 into minus 2. 3 2s are 6. Minus into minus plus 6. So here what is that? Minus 2 into minus 3 is also 6. What is the conclusion? Minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to the negative number into a negative number is equal to minus 3 into minus 2. The order, this is the commutative property, means order property. If you take any order, the product will be the same. Minus 3 is equal to 6. So what is the conclusion we have to give? For any two integers a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. This is called a commutative property. So this is the, for any a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. This is the commutative property. Okay, understand? Right now we'll go to the next. Okay. Okay, third property, associative property. What is the third property? Associative property. Multiplication, suppose you multiply with the 2, minus 3 and minus 5. So 2 into minus of 3 into minus of 5. So what you, I will this is the, I will make into, this is 2 into minus of 3 is a one group and 5 is other group. I will take one more here. 2 into minus 3 into minus 5. Now here take, this is the one group. So 2 into 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 5. But here I am changing the group. Here first and second number as a group. Here third, second and third number as a group. Okay. Now we will go to first one. So 2 into minus 3. First of all, multiply 3 2s are 6. Plus into minus, minus 6 into minus 5. So here negative integer, negative integer. Multiply with a negative integer with a negative integer, a positive integer. So 6 5s are 30. Okay. Here. So 2 into 3 5s are minus into minus plus 15. 2 15s are 30. So what do we conclude that? Therefore 2 into minus 3 into minus 5 is equal to 2 into minus 3 into minus 5. Okay, that is equal to 30. So here for in multiplication, if you grouping any numbers, it may not affect on product. This is called associative property. What is the property? Associative property. Okay, that is for any integers a comma b and c, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. This is associative property. What is this property? Associative property. For any integers a, b and c, three integers, if you take any three integers, the grouping, if you take first two as a group and second one next, second and third one as a group, the product may not affect, the product will be the same. Okay, do you understand? Associative property. Now we'll go to the next property. Okay, next fourth property, distributive property. What is that? Distributive property. So 5 into 3 plus 2, this is the 5 into 3 plus 2, this 3 plus 2 as a one group, this group have to distribute it, 5 into 3 plus 5 into 2. Now this is the LHS left hand side, this is the right hand side. Now first of all you take left hand side. So what is the numbers are there? 5 into 3 plus 2, 5 into 3 plus 2. What are there in the bracket? 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 how much, children? 5. So 5 into 5. 5 i's are 25. Left hand side how much came? 25. Okay na? Then 5 into 3 plus 5 into 2. First of all this product you have to multiply. Then this product. 5 3's are 15. 5 2's are 10. So next, what is the operation here? Addition. 15 plus 10, 25. So, if you distribute the numbers, the value will not change. So, 5 into 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 into 3 plus 5 into 2 is equal to 25. For any integers a, b and c, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. This is a distributive property under multiplication. Okay na children? Right now. So fifth property, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative and 3 into 1, 3. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4. 7 into 1, minus 7. Minus into plus, minus. 1 into minus 6, minus 6. Understand or not? If you multiply any number with 1, any integer, if you multiply any integer with 1, the product, the integer may not change, same integer will come. That is here 1 is called identity, multiplicative identity. So here 1 is called multiplicative identity. 1 is called multiplicative identity. So previously we discussed what is the additive identity? Yes, you are right, 0. Yes. 0 is the additive identity. Okay, understand? Do you remember that? Okay. For any integer a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. 1 is called multiplicative identity. Do you understand? If you multiply with any number by 1, so if 7 into 1, 7 only. 1000 into 1, 1000 only. So, if you multiply with any integer, the integer may not change. Okay, this is here 1 is called multiplicative identity. Okay, right now. Okay, sixth property, multiplication by 0. Minus 5 into 0, 0. 0 into minus 7, 0. 12 into 0, 0. So, if you multiply with any integer with 0 is always 0. The product of an integer and 0 is 0. For any integer a into 0 is equal to 0 into a is equal to 0. This is a multiplication by 0. If you multiply any number with 0, 0. If you multiply with any integer with 1, same number. Do you understand difference between the numbers? If you multiply with any number by 1, same integer. If you multiply with any integer with 0, 0. Right now children. Okay children, we are completed properties. Now all of you open page number 19. All of you open page number 19, exercise 5. First question. Verify the following. All of you open and write now. What is the first question? Verify the following. So first question. 18 into 7 into minus of 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So this is when you look into the question, you may understand this is the distributive property. They are applied here, distributive property. Just look in the board. So first of all, this is the LHS side, left hand side. This is the RHS, right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side. First of all, which side you have to take? Any side, whatever you like. So I am taking left hand side, LHS. So what are the LHS? 18 into 7 into minus of 3. So 18 into 7 3s are 21 minus 21. Okay children, okay na? Now 18 21s, you have to calculate here. 18 into 21. First one table, 18, 2 times, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3, 378. So once again, 188, 1 1s are 1, 8 2s are 60, 1 is the balance, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 378. We got LHS 378. Now, this is LHS, RHS. Now look at the RHS. What is the RHS? 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Okay. So now 18 sevens, 7 8s are 56. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 5, 12, 126. Plus now look in the board. 18 into 7 of plus of minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Okay, so first of all take left hand side, LHS. What is that left hand side? 18 into 7 into 7 plus, sorry, not into, minus 3 is equal to 18 into plus 7 minus 3. How much? 7 minus 3, 4. So multiply with 18 into 4. 8 4s are 32. 3. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. We got LHS 72. Now come to RHS. RHS. 18 into RHS means right hand side children. LHS means left hand side. Plus 18 into minus of 3. 7 8s are 56. 5. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 126. Plus into minus, minus. 8 3s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, 54. So 126 minus 54, 72. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So given statement is true. Therefore 18 into 7 of minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3 is equal to 72. Right now children, all of you right now. Okay, right. Okay, today's homework, page number 19, exercise 5, first Roman, first question and the second question. Okay, do it well and post in WhatsApp. Okay, all of you understand. Bye children. Hi.